So the West Indies women T20 cricketers suffered their second straight defeat at the World Cup in South Africa. This defeat to India and the previous defeat to England were lopsided and embarrassing defeats, number 14 and 15 consecutively in T20 internationals. And remember now, the West Indies women were world T20 champions as recently as 2016. A few remnants of that champion team remain. But from that golden generation, big players like DeAndre Dotting and Anisa Mohammed are out of the team. Former captain Stephanie Taylor is not herself. And Hayley Matthews cannot do it alone and instructively. The replacements coming through are desperately lacking in quality. And looking back at the construct of that champion team, their fortunes were highly dependent on that top order led by these same marquee players. So really and truly, Courtney Walsh and the rest of the coaching staff cannot make blood out of stone because the quality is just not there. So basically, that is why the West Indies women have lost 15 in a row and will lose some more. Does it hurt any less? Or is any less embarrassing? No.